Good morning, everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Amazon must-buys. Now, I realize the timing of this is slightly late. I saw a lot of other YouTubers doing this and I thought it was a really fun idea. Having said that, I feel like now is an appropriate time to have this video go live because we're all shopping from home now, and Amazon is obviously a place where we buy a lot of our stuff online. So a lot of these that I'm going to be talking about, these items, are going to be quarantine friendly. Because basically, since I work from home, I'm kind of used to this whole being home.
You just have to say that you're fine.
So the first item I'm going to be talking about is something that I basically use every single day. I've gotten a lot of different uses out of this, and that is my Therapearl Eye Essential Mask. Now, I think this was super affordable. I bought this a year or two ago. Now, if you're not familiar with these types of eye masks, essentially what they are, it's something you just throw in the microwave. I usually do it for about 20 to 30 seconds. It warms up and it holds heat for a long time, so you don't have to keep warming this up. Now, I not only use this as a warm compress for my eyes when my eyes are just dry or itchy or tired, but I've also been using this as just like a general heating item. So I'll just throw this in the microwave and then I'll take it into bed with me and I'll just like keep my hands warm, or like I'll just like lay it on my chest. The strap comes off like this, and then so I'll actually put it like on the back of my neck, because a lot of times when I work, I look down at my computer or laptop because it's usually sitting in my lap, and because of that I get a lot of soreness in my upper back / neck area, and this is something that I can lay on the back of my neck. I put this around like this. Multi-purpose! The heat just kind of relaxes my muscles. So again, it's just something nice that holds heat for a longer amount of time. Again, because it has this strap, it's so convenient because, for example, I had a pimple up here on my forehead, so I could just wrap this around my forehead, keep it warm, and I had a warm compress, and then I could walk around my house like this. This guy I get a lot of use out of. Next item is phone related, and I absolutely love this product, again, for multiple reasons, and that is my pop socket. Now, obviously pop sockets are great for increasing the grip capacity of your phone, but the other reason that I really like pop sockets are because I take my phone in the bath with me, is that I can use it as a prop to sit my phone up so I can watch my shows while I'm taking my bath, or YouTube videos, or whatever I happen to be watching at that time. So this guy has just been really nice for that, as well as, like I said, for holding it, for taking selfies, all of that, like, you know, sleep official jazz. So this next thing that I got from Amazon is something that I'm gonna have to insert B-roll of because I cannot hold it up to the camera and show you, but it's actually my stationary workout bike. Now, I purchased this about 6 months ago because I'm an avid spin goer. I really love my cycling class, and sometimes for me with my schedule, I wasn't always able to make it into the studio. It just made sense for me to invest in a stationary bike. The bike that I picked out is from a brand called Joroto. I wasn't familiar with it, but I'm really happy with the bike itself. I did buy the pedals so I could use the clips because I have the shoes that clip into the bike. So I'll also link those down below because I feel like that makes a big difference in your overall experience with the bike and how it activates your muscles and the different groups it's going to engage. So if you're gonna get a stationary bike, if you're gonna do it regularly, I highly recommend investing in some good pedals as well as some good cycling shoes. So yeah, I'm really happy with that purchase. I'm so glad I got it when I did. I feel like it was still very affordable. Like, it's a solid build, it's gonna last me a while. I think it looks really nice. I've had people come over to my place and be like, wow, is that like one of those Pelotons? And I'm like, no, it was like a fraction of the price. So yeah, I really adore my stationary bike. Talking about another big item in my house that I also got from Amazon that I get a lot of questions about in general, because you see it on my live streams, or sometimes when I sit in this chair for videos, I get asked where I got my gaming chair. Now, I did pick it up from Amazon and I really adore this gaming chair. I spent a lot of times looking at gaming chairs because there's a lot of very famous brands when it comes to gaming chairs, and they can be pretty pricey. So I wanted to make sure that I was getting a chair that was, you know, well within my budget, but also something that I knew I was gonna spend a lot of time in. So I didn't want to just get the bottom of the barrel type of chair, if that makes any sense. So I really like this because it's cushioned. The actual armrests are cushioned as well. I feel like I'm kind of like enclosed because of the shape of this chair. The pillow on my like back is really helpful. There has like a lumbar pillow here, and then there's, I guess, a neck / shoulder pillow here. This also comes off. So there's a good amount of variation with this chair. Like there's also a kickstand, or I shouldn't say a kickstand, there's also a leg rest on this chair, which I don't know when you're ever gonna be sitting in your chair like laying 180 like this. It's still going. Okay. Here it comes. Oh, here it comes. Oh, guppy. So yeah, I picked it up from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I get questions about this chair all the time. So I want to talk about a, I guess, beauty related product that I got from Amazon that I use every single day, and that is my reusable cotton pads. Now, not only are these super convenient because they have a nice texture to them, they're really soft, and I can just throw them in this bag to wash them, but obviously they're very green and eco-friendly. So you go through a lot of facial pads or puffs when you're doing skincare, whether it's applying toner or whether you're having product sit on your skin or whether you're just removing your eye makeup. There's a lot of different things you use cotton pads for, so I like that I don't have to throw these away. I can reuse them, and like I said, I just use them. Comes with this bag, this mesh washing bag. Throw them in the bag, throw them in the wash, and then I'm good to go. So there's not really much more to say about these. These don't fall apart. I've used these a ton, and I feel like I said, if you're into beauty and you want to do your part for the environment, I'd recommend something like this. So the next thing that I get a lot of use out of, again, something I use every single day, is this guy here. Now this is my pillow. I have it in a silk pillowcase. This is the Coop pillow. So it's the one that has all of this fancy temperature controlled paneling, and then on the inside it's got adjustable fill. Now I first fell in love with these like removable fill pillows when I got my MyPillow, and I really like that, but you know, there's nothing much to the MyPillow besides the fill in it. And so I like this guy because it's softer than the MyPillow. I have more control over the fill than with the MyPillow. And I like that this is, again, like a cooling gel, I think it is. I first discovered this too. I bought this for my boyfriend because he needed a new pillow, and he really liked it. And then I was like, well, I want to try. So I basically stole his pillow from him and I started using it, and then I had to buy us a second one so we could both have one. So now we both have a Coop pillow, and I like this a lot. If you're in the market for a new pillow, I mean, they make a big difference in the quality of your sleep, so Coopy doopy. The next item, I will have to throw some B-roll in this video as well, but it is my standing garden, or what I call my standing garden. Essentially, it's just a standing planter. I really adore gardening and plants. They give me so much joy every day, and it's just nice to go out onto my patio and check how my plants are doing, to tend to them. It's just a very calm and therapeutic thing that I like to do. So having a standing planter is really convenient because it's basically where I start all of my little seedlings in, so I can keep a good eye on them. And I just feel like the one that I got from Amazon was super affordable. It does exactly what I needed to do, and I think I'm gonna get myself a second standing planter because I really enjoy it. My bamboo bath tray. Now, I actually didn't purchase this. My boyfriend got it for me for Christmas one year, but I know he got it from Amazon. It honestly has to be one of my most used gifts I've gotten from my boyfriend, and we've been together for like almost 10 years at this point. So that says a lot. We've had a lot of Christmases, birthdays, etc. So I do take a lot of baths. It's just kind of like my me time. It's my therapeutic time. Since I spend so much time in the bath, I like to keep myself entertained. So along with my pop socket iPhone, I read magazines in the bath or just whatever. It's just nice having a tray. Sometimes I take snacks in the bath. Don't judge me. I'll take like a bowl of fruit and I have a lovely time. Anyways, guys, I hope this was a fun video for you. I'm not even sure if this was supposed to be like a specific category of items. I was definitely all over the board with my Amazon must-buys. And like I said, pretty much all of these items are items that I use day to day that if something happened to them, I would definitely replace them. So I hope you guys are happy and healthy. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!